If you're into RIDGID Tool platform or thinking about getting into the RIDGID Tool platform, this is not a video that you should watch. This is a video that you have to watch. Anytime you go into a Home Depot, you're going to see RIDGID Tools setting up on the shelves. And lately, they've been stepping it up and coming out with a lot more tools. But the one claim to fame that RIDGID has is their LSA. The RIDGID LSA stands for Lifetime Service Agreement, or in other words, Lifetime Warranty. You see, anytime you go up and buy a RIDGID tool from the Home Depot, you have to keep your receipt, or at least your electronic receipt, so you can upload it to the registry. But what you need to understand now is that for everybody that uses RIDGID and their LSA, well, it's changed. But when I say it's changed, I mean it's changed for the better. It used to be that when you sent out a RIDGID product that needed registered, it would go to a third party or somebody at the Home Depot. And it took a long time, but they've streamlined everything, and now it's called RIDGID Service Direct. It goes directly to RIDGID, and it's absolutely free. You don't pay the shipping to or from after you get the repairs or when you're sending it in for repairs. But here's two more really cool things about this. Not only can you do this directly on your computer or on your cell phone, you don't even have to talk to anybody. It's 14 days or less that you're going to be able to get these things fixed, repaired, and turned back to you. So that, my friends, is real nice like. So I'm going to show you right now how to register your product. I just got back from the Home Depot, bought another one of these vacuums. Really like them. Great vacs. So let me show you how easy this is. I'm going to take the new tool that I bought today, and I'm going to go to register.rigid.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. You can see that I already tried this today, so we're just going to click on this, and it's going to take you to right here, RIDGID Power Tool login. Now, what's really cool about this website is a few different things. One is very simple to use, and anything that you've already registered from previous purchases on the last website, it's going to transfer directly, but there are some upgrades to this. So let's take a look at this and I'll show you how to register your product. So on my dashboard, which you can see right here, you can see my toolbox, and I have things that I've registered. And what's cool about this is that I've already used this before and it's worked very well. This is return replace. I had a RIDGID 18 volt hybrid forced air heater. The first couple batches, they weren't good. They fixed the issues, they reissued it back to me after they fixed it, never had an issue since. Now let's take a look at a couple other things. Obviously you want to register on the dashboard, you want to register to this site so it knows you, and you'll get a password and your username and all that good stuff. It's very simple to use, not an issue at all. But if you come over here, dashboard, that's where we're at. The About LSA is going to tell you about, what's limited, what's fair game, if something breaks. It's normal. If you're running this over with the tank, they're not going to cover it, obviously. However, if you do have issues when you're working out on the job site, around your house, whatever, it's lifetime service. Register tools, service, and support. And of course, my toolbox is where your register tools or register a tool is. So we're going to go to register a tool. So because I just bought this today, we have 90 days, which is actually pretty generous. 90 days to register this tool. Me personally, I would just do it immediately if you can, as soon as you get back to the office or your house. You purchase the tool, we're going to hit register or register replacement. We'll talk about that here in a bit, but register new purchase, we're going to click on that, and then you're going to have a model number on your box. So you can see this is a drill. It's a drill kit, you got the bat ray, all that good stuff. You're going to need that. So all I'm going to do, now I'm going to chicken peck here, but it's R86090021B. I'm going to hit next. Now you can see that it popped up hand vacuum on here. It doesn't have an image available. Hopefully they do come around to uploading these images. It would be nice to just see these in your dashboard. They're still pretty easy to find, but it got it. 18 volt hand vacuum. That's exactly what I bought. So now what they want is the serial number, which is located right here. They even have a picture to show you where your serial number is located, but they need to know what unit this is. And just to show you a closer view, this is the picture on the website. It's going to tell you this is where your serial number is at. All right, so you can see that I put the serial number from my unit right here where it says serial number, and I'm going to hit next. And you can see that I'm sort of counting down the store, the purchase date. So you can do this two ways. You can use your hard receipt, which I always get anyway. I don't want tackle going out of the store. People think I'm stealing something. Or you can use your electronic receipt if you're hooked up on your card or whatever. It'll send it to your email and you can use it. Now the purchase date was today. It's 10/23/2023. And what's cool about this is that it pops up this little calendar and you click on it. And then you're going to go to the Home Depot in-store, Home Depot online, or other. I'm going to go in-store. Click on that. And then United States, and then please provide receipt code. Now you're probably not going to be able to see this very well, but the receipt code, if you use the hard copy, is going to be run underneath this barcode. If you used your website, you could probably just copy and paste it right into there. So part of the receipt code is going to be the actual date. So don't freak out. It's going to tell you everything you need to put when you put the provide receipt code on there. And then you're just going to hit next. And then you're going to go to the review and you're going to check it out and see. Just make sure that everything looks correct to you and then hit submit. Now this is going to submit, might take a couple seconds, shouldn't take that long at all. Now you can see here, you can upload your receipt. So to do that, you can take a picture, whatever you want to do. Me personally, I would do that. That said, even if you don't, well, you still shouldn't have any issues. They have the number on there, but it does say highly recommended, so do that. And just to show you real quick, if you hit upload receipt, it's going to go upload receipt. You click on this receipt name, purchase date, note, and then you can file attachment. So just take a picture with your phone and upload it from that way. On here, you can put your receipt name. I just put vac purchase. You can put the date, and you have to put the date, and then the note. You don't have to put a note there, but you could just say I bought a vacuum or whatever. And then you just hit file attachment. You hit upload file here. I took that picture with my phone. I saved it. I uploaded it. Now I just hit save receipt. And now it says submitted after I register my product. It's very simple to do, very easy to do, and it takes a couple minutes. So now you can see my dashboard. If I come down here, you can see this hybrid fan. There's one right here. This one here was replaced. It's no longer with me. It's gone. So you're not going to be able to file a claim. But the one they replaced with it's still a lifetime service agreement. So even if you had it fixed once, you can still file a claim if you need to. But if you look up here, the hand vacuum that we just claimed, probably take a day or two, like 24 hours before it enters up into the system. If I need to file a claim, you just hit file a claim, and then you just follow the prompts right here, continue start claim. And what's nice is it already entered all the information I need. Just hit start claim, see what happens, hit next. We're not going to do that, but it's a very simple process. Now, another very cool thing about this website that a lot of you might like is that you can download all your manuals straight from here instead of having to go to the website, the Home Depot, find it online on Google. Just type in the product number that you're looking for, and this is the planner, and you can see download gives you everything you need to do, and it's very quick. It's a nice system. So did RIDGID change their LSA? Yeah, but I'm happy they did. This seems to be a lot faster. Under 14 days or 14 days and under, that's super quick. And what's nice about it is this is for the life of the tool and yourself. So if you have a 18-volt battery and it breaks, you get it fixed, they send you a new one. If that one breaks, well, then you file another claim. These things are covered for life. However, I do want to test it myself. So this is going to be part 1 of a part 3 series. I'm going to get a battery that I have that's not working very well. It's an older one. I'm going to submit it through this. I'm going to show you how to do it in the next video again. And then I'm going to show you how fast or if it worked, or I'm going to submit the claim. I'm going to send the battery in. I'm going to see how long it takes them to fix it and how long it takes them to get it back from me. I want to see if it's a seamless process that they're claiming it is. But I hope this video has helped you, showing you how to use this new LSA Service Direct right to RIDGID. I think it's a good thing, and you know, it's a really good program that they have going on. That's what makes these tools very popular, is this lifetime service agreement. Share this out with your friends. If they're using RIDGID, this would be very helpful information, I would assume. I think they would like you so much better if you would share this with them. And if you want to see a review of that vacuum that I just bought again today, check this video out down here somewhere. Back with more videos soon.